You've had success in so far every company that you've been from a technical side. Obviously, you're experiencing success with Clawback and it's just growing, which is awesome. Is there any sort of principle or methodology or framework or I don't know, how do you ramp? How do you get up and running so quickly?
I actually think there's a lot of overlap because the quick answer is surrounding yourself with people that are smarter than you. I mean, not to be a shameless plug for the fact that I used to work at Gong, but I lean on Gong heavily to go listen to the top reps at whatever company I'm working at. And I also quickly identify, hey, who's crushing it? How can I add value to their life while also getting some of their time to learn from them? I've been really fortunate at every company I've been at to have mentors that have been willing to take me under their wing and show me the systems they've implemented for them to be successful. Kind of like we talked about at the beginning, with the hot sauce and, learning a whole new world and having to find people that could help me learn something that, I wouldn't be able to figure out on my own. It's the same approach I take when I start a new role at a software company.
Mhm.
Who are the A players here? How can I connect with them and how can I learn from them? And the bigger thing is just like putting your pride aside. I feel like so many people in their careers want to like act like they have it all figured out and just owning the fact that like I'm new. I know that there's people here, I can take things from my past experience that I can apply to this. And, the more you get experience, the easier it is to kind of quickly learn and pick up a new role. But I think like putting your pride aside, not being afraid to ask stupid questions, what might, feel like a dumb question.
Yep.
And then also just like not being afraid to fail quickly. Like, I'm just over a month into my new role and, I'm already deep into working with my customers, getting to know my accounts. And, I'm just honest with them if there's something I don't know. And I tell them, hey, I'm gonna work hard to get you this answer. Just being upfront about my intention is to help you to grow this relationship. And, I'm going to kind of be your quarterback and being very quick to know who are the resources that I can pull on to support my customers. So I think getting in, quickly getting a lay of the land, quickly asking whatever questions you have so you don't feel like you're, waiting 6 months and making the same mistake over and over again. It's just easier to, like I said, fail quickly to to get better and improve.